Guys, I just hit the shit out of my fucking leg trying to get this. Please like this fucking video. I fucking tripped, please.
We do not care.
Hi guys, welcome back to today's channel. Today's channel. Hi guys, I've been meaning to do this unboxing. I got this from my P.O. box. Thank you to everybody that supports my channel and to those that send me something on my P.O. box. It means a lot. Sometimes I just go showing up at my P.O. box not expecting much, but whenever I get a package, it means a lot. So thank you in advance to whoever sent this. And we're pulling out the game strong. I don't know about that. So we're going with the Halloween season strong, and I know I haven't posted that many videos. I am also a tattoo apprentice, so most of my time has gone to that and also work and life. And I also do markets if you're in the 956. I'm trying to do this without my eyes. Even with my eyes, I'm really dumb. I feel something. That's what she said. It smells good. What the freak? It smells like a Staples. Is that weird to say? It smells like a Staples. Okay, I'm gonna open my eyes. What do you guys think? What the fuck? This is so fucking good. I don't mean to yell. This is a fucking clown fucking mask with the teeth. I can do it. This is fucking sick. What the fuck? And it has the ties like this with a ribbon. Yeah, this is fucking sick. I love it. I'm gonna do some up closes whenever I can, but this is fucking sick. I fucking love it. Thank you. I always reuse the bubble wrap, so thank you if you guys send me a bunch of bubble wrap. Closing my eyes. We are closing my eyes. I am not closing my eyes. What is this? What? He sounds like this. My name is Pumpkin. I smoke cigarettes. I smoke some Newports. Now I sound like this. Do not smoke cigarettes because then you're gonna end up like me. Type shit. Wait, this is fucking sick. What the fuck? What the? I'm gonna have this. I have this chilling on my desk. I love this. Thank you. I love these. Bro, this is sick. I love the note in the drawing. Thank you. Let's open it. Let's open it. I'm so sorry. I'm annoying. I did not do that. I did do that. Fuck. I did not mean to do that. I'm so sorry. I'm saving the drawing. I almost ripped it, but I didn't. Okay. I like you. You typed it. We got some stickers. Ah! The Dinner Monsters. Okay, it says, hi Wendy. I hope all is well with you. Been loving your most recent mask unboxing videos. Also, the last mailbox unboxing video was so much fun. I wanted to do it again. Thank you. Which is why I organized another box. Hopefully it is worthy enough. It is. Thank you. Within this box you will find the following: 3 stickers, one of them being my channel sticker. Scan it, fucks. You motherfuckers, scan it right the fuck right now. I light up Spooky Pumpkin, which I made in one of my crafting videos. Dude, this is freaking sick. What the frick? What are we tacking here? What are we tacking here? I'm sorry if I'm getting this all late. Okay, and this is another mask which I made in my workshop. No, dude, this is fucking sick. Like, I need to do some up closes. Like, this is sick. I have your mask behind that pumpkin. I've been trying to find a place to like place it, but I've been busy. This is fucking sick. I fucking love that mask. Sorry if I'm being annoying. I hope these items are acceptable. Yes, they are. What the fuck? Who the fuck do I look like? I'm not all that. And they bring you joy. They bring me lots of joy. Thank you. Artist to artist. Thank you. Looking forward for your next video. Thanks for everything. The Denim Monsters. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Love this so much. Okay, guys, please check out the Denim Monsters. Thank you so much for sending me this really cool mask. Super cool, super crafty. Really love it. And honestly, can we talk about the pumpkin? Hello. Okay, let's see. Pumpkin is so sick. I freaking love these pumpkins. Love the stickers too. Scream Queen. There's this clown. But yeah, thank you so much to the Denim Monsters. I'm gonna link his YouTube channel in the description, in the comments. Please give him a follow. Type down below W the Denim Monsters, or the Denim Monsters for the win, or whatever these kids are saying nowadays. Thank you so much, and it means a lot that you support the channel. It means a lot that you guys are supporting the channel. Please like if you haven't this video. Please like the video if you haven't. It means a lot. And please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much, and until the next one, guys. And if I don't say this anytime soon, I hope you guys have a very safe Halloween. I might record a vlog, I might not. Or get ready with me. But thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I love you guys. Goodbye. Can't wait till I find a loophole that I can add music without YouTube demonetizing me. But yeah, have a great day, guys. Bye.